This is a slide of an articular hyaline cartilage, guys. Look, why I'm stressing so much on this word articular here, because a normal hyaline cartilage and articular hyaline cartilage will vary in few points. Like number one, there is no perichondrium. There is no perichondrium, and that is because it is what? It is articular. If it is a hyaline cartilage present anywhere else, like in the epiphyseal plate or anywhere else, then you will have perichondrium. One of the property of the hyaline cartilage is the presence of the perichondrium, but not if it is present at the articular end, and that's why the regeneration is very poor if you look at the articular end hyaline cartilages. And second important thing to note here is this. Look at this basal part here. This here is actually the calcified zone. So that's a calcified cartilage zone here. That is a calcified cartilage zone. You can see that. You can see a lot of blood vessels also in that region. The bone will start actually after that. So it's a calcified cartilage zone. Again, representing it is the slide of a hyaline cartilage. But which hyaline cartilage? It's an articular hyaline cartilage which do not have perichondrium. Rest of the features are same like a typical hyaline cartilage. Like we have chondrocytes present in lacuna. We got these chondrocytes present in the lacuna, and you can see these are the isogenous cell nest, which is another unique feature of the hyaline cartilage. We call it isogenous cell nest, or you can simply call it cell nest, which usually made up of 4 to 6 chondrocytes clubbed together, and that is an isogenous cell nest they form. They have a darkly stained matrix present around them called as a territorial matrix, and we do have a lightly zoned region present in between. And that lightly, if I just let's say let me mark this area here, this is called as a interterritorial matrix. This is the interterritorial matrix. And as you can see, this basophilia, this basophilic nature of this basophilia of this interterritorial matrix is because of what? It is because of the glycosaminoglycans, the GAGs. The presence of the glycosaminoglycans is the one which gives it a basophilic appearance. Glycosaminoglycans like chondroitin sulfate, if I like an example, that is chondroitin sulfase. So in the hyaline cartilage, we do have perichondrium, but not here. It is the articular hyaline cartilage. No perichondrium is there. We have a calcified zone present toward the basal part. Otherwise, if it's a typical hyaline cartilage, we have a perichondrium present on both the side. If you take a hyaline cartilage of the trachea, then you will see the perichondrium, fibrous and a cellular layer of perichondrium